Good evening, this is Ismatara Pushpa with English Bulletin from City News Dhaka. Number of daily COVID-19 deaths goes up again. 40 people have died from COVID-19 in 24 hours, according to a press release issued by the Director General of Health Services. The total number of deaths reached 12,441. At least 1,675 new infections were recorded in the meantime, taking the total number of people infected to 7,92,196, added the release. One of the two patients who were diagnosed with mucormycosis, widely known as black fungus, at a hospital in Dhaka has died, the hospital authorities said on Tuesday. The 65-year-old patient died at the capital's Bardem General Hospital 3 days ago, hospital's respiratory medicine department head Professor M. Delwar Hossain told today. The 122nd birth anniversary of national poet Qazi Nazrul Islam is being celebrated across the country today through various programs. A poet, journalist, lyricist, composer, playwright and novelist, Qazi Nazrul is one of the most celebrated cultural icons of the nation. His fiery poems had made him a rebel poet and encouraged the subjugated mass people to fight against repression and injustice of the British colonial rule. The nation got inspirations from his poems and songs during the Liberation War and all democratic movements and struggles. Severe cyclonic storm Yash over Northwest Bay and adjoining area moved northwestwards farther and now lies over the same area. An alert has been sounded in the port areas of Chattogram, Cox's Bazar, Mongla and Paira Port. It was centered at 12 p.m. today about 565 kilometers southwest of Chattogram Port, 525 kilometers southwest of Cox's Bazar, 455 kilometers south-southwest of Mongla Port and 445 kilometers south-southwest of Paira Port. At least 115,000 health and care workers have died from COVID-19 since the beginning of the pandemic, the WHO chief said yesterday, calling for a dramatic scale-up of vaccination in all countries. At the opening of the World Health Organization's main annual assembly, Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus hailed the sacrifices made by health workers around the world to battle the pandemic. Bangladesh has begun administering the Chinese-produced COVID-19 vaccine to students of 4 medical colleges in Dhaka. China recently gifted Bangladesh 5 lakh doses of its Sinopharm vaccine and another 6 lakh doses are to come. The government has decided to administer the vaccine doses to those on the front line first, said Health Minister Zahid Malik during the launch of the vaccination effort. Medical students, those in the 5th year in particular, will also get the vaccine. They will provide care at various hospitals after completing their internship. Second international cricket match of the ongoing 3-match series between Bangladesh and Sri Lanka at the Sheribangla National Stadium has interrupted by rain. Bangladesh won the toss and elected to bat first. The host country have handed a debut to Shariful Islam by leaving out Taskin Ahmed and Mosaddeq Hussain replaces Mohammad Mithun. Sri Lanka are unchanged. That's all for now. Thank you very much.